In today's digital era, the fusion of artificial intelligence, AI, and YouTube has opened up new avenues for creators to earn revenue. This video will explore various strategies on how to make money with AI and YouTube. Firstly, we'll delve into content creation, highlighting how AI can assist in generating unique and engaging content, thus attracting a larger audience. We'll then discuss optimization techniques such as using AI tools for keyword research and SEO to enhance your video's visibility. Additionally, we'll cover AI-driven analytics to understand your audience better and tailor your content accordingly. Affiliate marketing, another lucrative avenue, can be maximized by leveraging AI to identify the best products and services to promote within your niche. Lastly, we'll touch on direct monetization through sponsored content and merchandise sales, using AI to match with potential sponsors and optimize your merchandise designs. Throughout this video, we'll provide actionable tips and real-life examples to help you capitalize on these opportunities, making your YouTube journey both profitable and innovative.